Welcome back, guys. Not doing track mode right now. I'm actually working at a famous racetrack. Trying to be discreet about what I'm doing, kind of, sort of, but not really. They told me I could film the front of the building, but I'm actually working at the Indianapolis Speedway today, doing flagpoles, do a short little video of what we're doing, and definitely not my normal scope of work, but I figured I would do a little quick 5-minute video here and show you what's up, and probably one of the coolest jobs I've ever got to do. So they're working on the museum remodel here at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, and we demoed those flagpoles. They changed the whole front of the building, and now you can see all through there. There's all those sleeves. We're going through and drilling, setting flagpoles. So I'm here with Indiana flag and pennant, and we're working a rig out there. But yeah, pretty cool. One of the most famous racetracks in the country, the world, that is, and we're here doing some dirt work. I asked like one of the main supervisor guys, I said, is it cool if I film for YouTube? He's like, yeah, but just don't go inside, don't film inside. And I was like, well, I'll sign an NDA if I have to. He said, no, don't worry about it. He's like, you're outside from the building. This is all open to public to see. So yeah, talk about intimidating. Going underneath that racetrack with a 40-foot trailer, being a little hillbilly, those dirt bike tracks was way intimidating, but pretty cool. He hit a big old rock. Big old rock, drilling our final hole here. Concrete been here in about an hour, and yeah, slow and steady. Everything here has to be precise. Drilling holes off elevation points, it's very, very crucial and time consuming, and especially when the blueprints were wrong the first time, so now you doubt the elevation points, and one guy says yes, one guy says no, so thank God I'm just the guy drilling the holes and moving the access to around. All the finished work is not on me, thankfully, because I would not be happy.
Hey, where's the breaker bar?
May have to do a little editing on that one.
Solid.
Fourth?
Yeah.
You want flush with top?
No.
Not to the top. You're good there. That's good.
Mud is here. Got the 40-footer loaded down with attachments. I brought the 4-in-1, brought the regular bucket, brought my auger, and pulling Paul's 40-foot dual tandem super duper trailer. So getting ready to go move the access material from the holes and put it in the butt pile with all the old dirt. Dang, taking the flagpole off the top of the monument. Rowdy and sketchy. Yeah, only the biggest poles go on my trailer. That's a 40-foot trailer, and that's a flagpole we just took out. Well, that's a wrap. I got my holes drilled, concrete set, trailer's loaded, taking home this humongous flagpole that barely fits my trailer. And yeah, next I'll be up here, I'll be carpet. Check out Practice 7500. So, super, super cool project. Appreciate you guys watching. Yeah, I hope not. Look at that. Oh, Howard. Oh, look at him. Look at that. Don't even have to knock my machine. Yes. That is called working smarter, not harder. And still boomed up, still hooked up. Say hey,
tear nothing up.
say hey, Cal. Cal and Austin always hooking me up here at McAllister's Caterpillar. Love the guys at McAllister's Caterpillar. Even though I got a Kubota, they take care of me.